150 Juliet Delta Yankee 150 JDY.
Recordings confirmed that the driver, later identified as Brandon Nicholas, was slow to stop. The Saturn ultimately came to a stop on LA 431, just south of Snow Sheets Road. Due to the abnormal delay in stopping and exiting, the trooper had become increasingly suspicious. The trooper then gave commands for the driver to exit the vehicle.
Driver! You can come on back here for me? Come on back here for me, please. Yeah, get out and come on back here.
After another prolonged delay, Nicholas eventually exited, and both met near the rear of the Saturn.
Hey, come on over here for me, man.
Outside, my car's
You good? Let's get over here. We ain't in the road. Look, State Police. The reason why I'm pulling you over, you got tail light out.
It's not all that, just got tape on.
You can't see that thing at all.
My bad. If you pull it off, you can. It's on.
What happened to it? It's just broke?
Car wash did that.
Man, what car wash you go to?
The little car wash, like down on 74.
What side? What side 74? Towards like airline, or you talking about back towards like St. Gabriel?
No, close by like what it is. Almost right there by Dusttown, by the school.
The one across from Harvest?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make sure I stay away from that one so I don't break your headlight or none.
Yeah,
Taillight or none.
I usually try to wash it myself. It just happened like about a week ago.
Damn.
It just happened, sir.
I got you.
I'm going to pick my wife up from work.
Is it your car?
Yes, sir.
Registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
After explaining the reason for the stop, the trooper asked for Nicholas's driver's license. Nicholas said the driver's license was in his vehicle. The trooper then asked Nicholas if there were any weapons in the vehicle, to which Nicholas responded, no.
You got your license on you now?
It's in the car.
All right, cool. You gonna grab it for me?
Yes, sir.
Look, before you go reaching any guns or anything in the car?
No, sir.
Perfect. Go ahead and grab it for me.
As the trooper and Nicholas walked to the open driver's door of the Saturn, the trooper smelled the odor of marijuana emitting from inside the vehicle and observed a semi-automatic pistol with an extended magazine on the driver's side floorboard.
Hey, come back here. No, get out the car. Come here.
The trooper ordered Nicholas to turn around, began placing him in handcuffs, and informed him he was being detained.
Get out the car. Turn around for him, put your hands behind your back. All right? Look, right now you're just being detained. Okay? Stop! Get the ball! Get out! On your way! Now you're just being detained, okay? Stop! Get the ball! Get out! On your way!
Shot fired, shot fired.
Go forward. Then the car driver just took off, had a gun in his seat, reach around the car.
Nicholas fled north on LA 431, and the trooper immediately pursued. Approximately 1.5 miles north of the original location, the vehicle stopped in the roadway.
Tail lights out, we're heading north of 431. Be stopping near Dab Lane. Driver! Get out of the car!
Yeah.
1050. Drive!
You good?
1050. Suspect stop near Prescott Drive. Drop! Get out of the car!
During this portion of the video, the trooper continues to give loud verbal commands as he waits for backup to arrive. For time purposes, this portion of the video has been sped up.
Can you tell how many times it's occupied?
One time black male with gun on the floorboard by the driver's seat. Other additional units are going 1097.
Assisting troopers and deputies arrived on the scene and made contact with Nicholas, who had sustained critical injuries. Responding units requested emergency medical services and administered CPR. Nicholas was transported to a local hospital where he was later pronounced deceased.